Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have the essentials: Google account and a topic. Open Docs, choose blank or a simple template, and name the file so versioning is automatic. Now create a quick outline with H1 and H2 headings. This frames your workflow and keeps you on task. Once the outline is in place, set target word count and enable tools like spellcheck and offline access to avoid interruptions. By starting with structure, you reduce editing later and write more consistently. You should now fill sections with focused 15-25-minute bursts, aiming to complete each heading before switching. Use voice typing or type drafts quickly, then add inline citations or research snippets as comments so the text stays clean. Make use of styles for consistent headings and find /replace to fix recurring phrasing. This speeds revisions. Once done with a section, create a short summary sentence for SEO and reader clarity. Keep saving and use version history to track meaningful edits. You're close. Switch to suggestion mode and perform a final read-aloud pass to catch flow and tone problems. Then run grammar and readability tools, accept or reject suggestions, and tighten lead and conclusion so the piece begins and ends with impact. When satisfied, export to your needed format or publish to the web. If collaboration caused conflicts, open version history and restore the correct draft. Tip: if formatting breaks, paste into a clean doc to strip hidden styles and reapply your template.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.